So first of all, we need to create a simple Laravel project like composer, create project Laravel / Laravel and your project name NativePHP basic composer, create project Laravel and your project name, whatever you want. You can write anything, demo, test, anything you want, you can write. Okay, so hit the enter. So you can see the Laravel project is installation is started. So it is installing all the dependency packages. So Laravel installation is finished. So you can see migration and all that, everything is completed. So now we are going to install the native PHP. We need to switch first of all into your project. Then we are going to install the native PHP. Okay. So just clear this screen, TLS. So now CD and our project is native PHP and it's native PHP basic. Okay. So now we are inside this native PHP basic, which is our Laravel project. And inside this, we are going to install this native PHP. Okay. So just hit the enter. So now you can see now native PHP is going to install into our project, Laravel project, native PHP basic. Composer is installing all the dependency like which is required for native PHP mobile application. So after this installation, I will show you the first application. So now you can see latest 3.2 native PHP mobile application version is successfully completed into our Laravel project native PHP basic. Okay, so now we are going to just test this application. To run this mobile application, we need to write the command php artisan native jump. Okay, so now you can see it's asking for Android or iOS. So I am going with Android. So just write Android and hit the enter. So this command is only for to start the jump server and collecting all the file and executing all the files of Laravel, and then it will display a scanner into our browser. So now you can see all the file is just copying and creating zip, and after this zip creation, so it will open a QR code into browser. So let's wait. So now you can see, yes, we have successfully installed the native and also run the jump server also. So I will share my mobile screen also. See if you want to run this application into your mobile application. So in the Play Store, you need to install. You need to write bfrost jump. Okay. So in previous video, we have already covered these things. So if you do not know all these things, so just watch that video. Okay, so you can see this is my mobile screen. Okay, so I am just going to click on this plus button and going to scan the application. So you can see downloading a bundle. So this will display the default welcome page of Laravel application. If you have installed your Laravel application previously, so you can see welcome screen, getting started screen. So this is the same screen like the normal Laravel application. Okay,